To set up automated emails for your candidates, or stage actions, click on the Hiring tab on the gray sidebar, followed by the job you would like to set up the stage actions for. Click Stage Actions at the top of the screen. You will notice there are 2 stage actions already set up within the system. This application stage action will help you get better ratings on Indeed, Glassdoor, and Nuvu as a fast responder. To set up another stage action, click Add or Add Another Action. You can then choose whether you would like to send an employee message or a candidate message. You can have both set up within a single stage. If you choose an employee message, you can assign a recipient, create a template or use an existing template, and save the stage action for that specific job. To set up a candidate message, you can choose who the email is coming from and create or assign a template as well. These automated emails will be sent as soon as a candidate is moved to a different stage.